The seamless growth of artificial intelligence and its integration into different sectors is redefining various industries. AI adoption in cloud computing has completely changed the way of data inputs, data storage, and its analysis. Artificial intelligence is complementing cloud computing growth and enabling enterprises to easily access, store and share data with ensured security and reliability. The blend between them has given birth to the intelligent cloud, which is not only capable of saving information, but also to analyze and learn from these data, and pass it on to other servers and clouds. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services through the Internet, including servers, databases, storage, networking and software. For example, imagine you own a business that uses many large databases, servers, and software. Buying and maintaining physical data centers and servers can turn out to be an expensive and tedious task. Instead, you can use cloud services alone and lower the operation cost and run your infrastructure more efficiently. Some of the benefits of cloud computing include cost saving, quick access, reliability, global deployment, enhanced security. Types of cloud computing services. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. It is an on-demand service, where instead of buying software or a server, you can rent all these IT infrastructures from a cloud provider. IaaS method delivers everything from the operating system to the storage, through IP-based connectivity with pay-as-you-go pricing. The most popular examples of the IaaS system are Microsoft Azure and IBM Cloud. Software as a service, SaaS. In SaaS-based service, a software application is delivered to the customer over the Internet, on demand. The cloud provider handles all the maintenance, like software upgrade and security patching, regarding the application and underlying infrastructure. It follows a subscription basis model and allows users to connect to the application with a web browser on their phone or PC. Platform as a Services, PaaS. PaaS supplies an on-demand platform that focuses on developing, testing, deploying, and managing your application. It eliminates the need to manage the underlying infrastructure. Salesforce.com and Hanukkah are some of the examples of the PaaS model. Role of AI in cloud computing, self-managing cloud. IT infrastructures are AI integrated to reduce the workload, increase the efficacy and eliminate duplication. AI-powered cloud monitors and manages work efficiency by themselves, saving a lot of time and energy. It is predicted that AI clouds will be able to self-heal issues in the future. Improved data processing. AI performance depends on the amount of data used as input, and the cloud environment can store a massive data volume. Implementing AI in cloud computing will enable the latter to learn from these data, analyze them and solve potential issues in advance. AI Cloud helps organizations to control and manage the flow of extensive data. The ease in processing data with AI's influence has prompted the SaaS model companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Cisco to integrate AI in their software application for better performance. Security automation. The adoption of AI in the cloud environment will boost the level of security. The ease of processing data with AI assistance identifies and learns more data patterns, allowing spotting the inconsistencies in the cloud infrastructure. Such AI advancement helps to prevent any form of unauthorized access to the cloud environment. AI contributes to where it can detect any peculiar events and hinder them, thereby blocking any unsafe codes into the system. Cost reduction. Conventional infrastructure requires a significant capital expense from buying software to setting up and running on-site data centers. The fusion of AI with cloud computing reduces the substantial cost. It also eliminates the costs and racks of managing centers, servers, the round-the-clock electricity for power and cooling, and the IT experts for managing the infrastructure. Decision-making. AI integration helps to predict outcomes based on data analysis and make smarter decisions. Cloud-based retail modules enable brands to adjust or change the price of services or products based on certain factors such as demand, market level, and competitors' price. SaaS model companies like Amazon leverage AI to understand their customers and their expectations to provide better services. Conclusion. The significant growth of AI technology and its fusion with cloud computing services is expected to bring a massive transformation in the technology industry. Despite being at the nascent stage, the change it has brought in several sectors within a few years is tremendous. The continuous investments in AI by public cloud providers in AI seem to bring inevitable and remarkable advancements in the future. A Bill Must production.